Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to freeze multiple rows in Excel. Okay, so if you want to freeze multiple rows in Excel, this video will show you how to do that. Here you will see I have many rows. Okay, and if you want to freeze top 2 rows, or if you want to freeze top 4 rows, top 5 rows, top 6 rows, so you can easily do that. So for that, if you want to freeze this row, okay, top 2 rows, so what you have to do, you have to select third number row. If you want to freeze top 3 rows, 1 2 3, so you have to select top 4 number row. And if you want to freeze top 4 rows, you have to select top 5 rows. Okay, means fifth rows. Okay, so as I want to freeze this top 3 rows, so what you have to do, what I have to do, I have to just select this fourth row. Okay, then what you have to do, here you have to go into view option, and here you will see freeze pane option. Just click on it, and then if I scroll down, here you will see top 3 rows has been freezed. Okay, now if I want to freeze this top 6 row, what I have to do, you have to just select 7th row, then you have to just click on this freeze pane, and you will see that top 6 rows has been freezed. So like this you can freeze multiple rows in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.